Today we will learn how to make pure aloe vera gel, courtesy of Claudine Reimer and the Villa del Palmar at the Islands of Loreto. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and has antioxidant properties that aid in healing. Most people are aware of the benefits of aloe vera gel on burns. It is also hydrating for all skin types. Many people also take aloe vera internally to aid in digestion. Cut the leaf into sections about 8 inches long. Cut off the serrated edge. Carefully slide the knife along the bottom edge of the skin down the whole length of the leaf. Flip the section over and repeat with the other side. Place the gel and pulp in a blender. Repeat until all sections have been skinned. Want to drink it? Blend it with ice. If not, leave it pure and pour the gel into a clean storage container and refrigerate. It will keep in the refrigerator for about a week. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, aloe vera can be found in various forms online and in health food stores.